Tired of blurry or inconsistent signatures? Let's elevate your digital signing with Docusign by uploading your personalized signature image. First, create or find a clear, high-resolution image of your signature you can sign on a white piece of paper with a dark pen, and then scan or take a well-lit photo of it. Ensure the background is plain and contrasting. Next, head over to the Docusign website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings or Profile section. This is usually represented by a gear icon or your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings or Profile to access your account management page. Within your settings, you should find an option related to your signature or signing style. Click on that to proceed. You'll likely see a few ways to create your signature. Choose the Upload an Image option. This will open a file browser on your computer. Navigate to where you saved your signature image. Select your signature image file and click Open or Upload. Docusign will then display a preview of your uploaded signature. Make sure it looks clear and accurate. Finally, click the Save or Apply Signature button to confirm and store your personalized signature image in your Docusign profile. Now, every time you sign a document in Docusign, your custom signature will be ready to use, ensuring a consistent and professional appearance for all your digital agreements. Happy signing!